Hello guys, welcome to our channel and welcome to another video. In this video I am going to tell you the 5 smartphones under rupees 10,000, and these smartphones are quite good for your basic, means if you can play games or any type of your basic works can be done in this type of phones very smoothly and very easily. And this type of phones also specifications are quite good as other phones. So if you are new to the channel and if you are watching my video for the first time or the second time, it doesn't matter. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, then go and subscribe. So without any wasting any type of phones, let's get straight into it. So our first mobile phone in our video is the Realme Narzo 10A. Its price is 9,000 and the specification of the phones are: this contains 3 plus 32GB storage and it can be also expandable up to 256GB. The display size is 6.52 inch and it contains also HD display. The camera, if we talk about, it is 12 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel of in the rear and the 5 megapixel in the front camera. The battery life of this phone is 5000 mAh battery, which is quite good for this type of range of money, and this phone is value for money, and I prefer this phone very much. Mobile phone in our list is the Realme C3. This phone contains 2 colors and the phone is very much good about the, if we talk about the structure, and this about the specification of the phones are: this contains 3 plus 32GB storage and it can also be expandable up to 256GB. The screen size is 6.52 inch and it also contains HD display. The camera, if we talk about, it contains 12 megapixel plus 2 megapixel in the rear camera and the 5 megapixel in the front camera. If we talk about the battery life, it also contains 5000 mAh battery, which is good, and this can be very much good for your basic needs. So let's move to our next mobile phone. Phone is the Infinix Hot 9, which comes with the 4 plus 64GB storage and it also can be expandable up to 256GB. Its screen size is very large, which is 6.6 inch and it also contains HD plus display. The screen is the HD plus punch hole and the camera in this phone is very nice. The camera contains 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus low light sensor plus 8 megapixel in the front camera. About the battery, if we talk about, it contains 5000 mAh Li-ion polymer battery, which is good, and this phone camera I will prefer, it is very good. So our next mobile phone is the Redmi 9A, and this contains 3 plus 32GB storage, but it can be expand up to 512GB. And the screen size is 6.53 inch and it also contains HD plus display. The rear camera is 30 megapixel and the front camera is 5 megapixel and the battery life is 5000 mAh, and this is my favorite phone in this list, and you can also comment down your favorite phone in this video. So let's move to the next phone. This is our next phone, and this phone name is Honor 9A and it cost around 10,000, and the camera about this phone is, the camera of this phone is super highly, it is good, and the camera of this phone consists of 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple camera with super wide angle, and the front camera, if we talk about, it is of 8 megapixel and the screen size is 6.3 inch, and this comes with Android 10. And the memory and the storage, if we talk about, it contains 3 plus 64GB and it can be also expandable up to 512GB. So if you are taking this, it might be your good choice. So this is for this video. We'll meet you in the next video. So wait, before ending, I want to tell something that I am starting now onwards a question session, means I am telling that if you can ask any type of question. You have seen in the first video, the gamer zone name one person has comment down in my video, so I am making this. So if you can also comment down your query or your any type of question that I can make the video. So we will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.